Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy How To Tuesday. I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube banner using Canva and PixArt. First things first, you want to go to google.com and save a picture of the YouTube banner template to your photos. From the home screen of the Canva app, you're going to type in YouTube channel art in the search bar at the top of the screen. Here you'll find many templates that you can use, but we'll click on blank and then scroll over to camera roll. Grab your YouTube template and fit it to the workspace. Press the plus sign and then choose photos and search for your background. I wanted to go with a sparkle background. Next, you'll line it up with the guideline of your template. You want it to match the size of the innermost box. Once you've sized your banner background like mine, go on ahead and save this image to your camera roll. Next, we're going to go into PixArt. Next, you're going to press the plus sign at the bottom of the screen, and then you're going to open up your photos. Import the banner background that you just saved. Now you're going to design your banner. For me, I wanted to choose an afro hair sticker. So I clicked on the word sticker at the bottom of the screen and I searched afro hair. Once I found the sticker that I wanted, I went ahead and added it to my workspace, making sure to keep everything that I want on my banner well within those template guidelines. I'm going to fast forward while I design my banner. Right here, I'm resizing everything because my name is too close to that bottom line. If you look at the template in the background, that gray line at the bottom, Ms.CoilyP was too close to that gray line. And when you upload this template, or excuse me, this banner to YouTube, and you go to YouTube on your phone, that bottom half of my name will be cut off because it's too close to that line, to that bottom line of the template. So when you're making your banner, you want to make sure that everything is within the guidelines of that dark box because otherwise it'll get cut off. Here you're just going to save your work to your camera roll, and then you're going to go on ahead and open up YouTube. Click on your profile and choose the third option up from the bottom labeled your data in YouTube. You want to click on the subscriptions that you have. You may have to hit more. From here, you're going to click on your profile picture again, and this time click desktop to display the desktop version. Go to your channel, click on your banner, and continue to studio. From banner image section, click change and go to your photo library where you will upload the image you just created. Take notice that my name is well above the bottom line of the template and the crown is well under the top line of the template. Click done and then click publish at the top right corner of the page, and then you can go to your channel to view your art. See? Ta-da! I want to real quick check to make sure that the sizing is correct on the desktop version, so I'm going to go check that out. Yep, looks good. So thanks again for watching. Ms.CoilyP signing out.